This is little Lydia. Mommy and Daddy are putting Claire to bed. And you just had a cute little sneeze. This poor little girl just spit up. Uh-oh, you don't want to suck on your hand. Let's give you your binky back. That was so cute with you singing and her laughing. I was going to take a video, and then it was the end of the song.
She wanted three little ducks to take the...
It was so
that's
cute.
what she said.
Aww. Yeah, little Lydia just spit up. Just a few minutes ago, but she's done better. And she's just so brave. She doesn't cry very much. We didn't even realize she spit up for a minute. Yep. No. Felix or Binky? Are you all done? Are you all done? No, you're not all done. You want more Binky? Oh, maybe not. I can't tell. Do you want more Binky or no? Lovely foot. Oh, okay. Claire doesn't want to go to bed. Lydia is 3 weeks old today.
Yesterday.
Oh, yesterday. That's right, it's already Saturday. 3 weeks old in 1 day. Yeah. And her little umbilical cord fell off today, the last little piece. We gotta see the cute little belly button. Yeah. Boys are playing video games. Kim's putting Claire to bed. Oh, there's me. Anyways. But this is really the cutest thing. Got that nice little rag on the floor. Just spit up, clean up. Oh.
So we could probably do a candid foot, or we could do
Just
tip,
so cute. Hang on. She's been cute.
heart, or something. Face hands. Face hand could be fun, or skip out.
You want your Mickey?
Are you even listening to them?
Yeah, just was trying to take a video. So I was like, sorry. It's
I'm not
okay.
bullying you.
She just was doing a cute little yawn. That's okay.
I always do that.
Okay. Oh.
Get some gesturing for the day if you do that. I hope it's all
She's making the cutest faces. Can I make your cute faces again? Mom and Dad. Mom and Dad. I just drawn you away from them. Yes. Hi, Lydia. How are you today?
I'm just so afraid that if they say no, you can't go potty, that she'll wet the bed. Because it happened once, and so now every time she pulls that, I have to go potty again 20 minutes after she's gone.
Okay. This is a long video, but you're so cute. I don't want to miss any cute little faces. No, I don't. Where's your tongue? Oh. That's a sleepy girl. Say bye, Lydia. Say bye. Bye. Waved. Kind of, not really, but oh. Okay, bye, Lydia.